We're getting a thunderstorm, baby. You okay? Mommy's here, honey. You okay, Puka? Nothing wrong with Puka. Gertie, do you want Mommy to hold you? Hmm? Mommy will hold you. You okay there, Skinny? Okay, yeah, okay. Want Mommy on the floor with you? Come on. Come here and just sit down. Yeah, we'll sit down here. Can I have your bed? Gertie, come here with Mommy. Yeah, that will make you feel better, huh? Yeah, you sit with Mommy. Mm-hmm. Good. You want kisses? Yeah. Goody? Do you want some kisses? Oh, Goody. Oh, Goody. Oh, kisses. Kisses. Oh, kisses. Pretty. Uh-oh, she's got ants in her pants. Okay, the weaning's going to come, Gertie. Oh, baby girl. Whoa, the rain's coming in the windows. Okay, it's one of those. We have to shut all the windows now. Okay?